I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance from an old SIM on Movistar, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your balance. Before starting the transfer, make sure you know how much balance you have on your old SIM. You can do this by dialing the balance inquiry code. Step 2. Insert the old SIM. Take your old SIM card and insert it into your phone. Ensure that your phone is unlocked and ready to make calls. Step 3. Dial the transfer code. Once your old SIM is active, dial the specific balance transfer code provided by Movistar. This is usually a combination of numbers. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After dialing the transfer code, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to read it carefully to ensure the transfer is successful. Step 5. Verify the transfer. Finally, check the balance on both the old and new SIMs to confirm that the transfer was successful. You can do this by dialing the balance inquiry code again on both SIMs. If you encounter any issues, double-check the recipient number for typos, as this can lead to failed transfers. I hope this helps you manage your balance smoothly.